Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. I have a brake light out, so we're going to see if the bulb's a problem. Let's get started. On this generation Kia Sorento, my brake light is going to be on this outside panel, so we got to open the tailgate to access it. So the panel is held in by two Phillips head screws, so we're going to just remove the screws if I can get it. There we go. So this panel is also held in by two pins, so you're going to have to grab this by the top and just kind of work it off. As you can see, there are three different lights you can access, but we want the brake light, tail light, and you'll just turn it to the left and pull it out. Wow, you can tell that that is just burned out. So we'll show you what this bulb looks like compared to a new one. So it's pretty sure the problem is this bulb is just bad, because if you compare the two, it should not look that burnt out. So I'm going to show you how to take this bulb out, because there's some important features on it that you'll want to see. So you just twist it and pop it off. But look how it's got this and this. This is going to be really important because it's got another one on the other side, but it's a lot higher. So this bulb only fits in one way. So if you put it in this way, it doesn't want to go in. Turn it around, it goes and seats nicely. So we'll get our new bulb and put it in, which you just put it in. If you have to force it, wrong way. So that one fits in nicely, you just twist it and you're in. So let's turn our brake light on and test it before we put this whole thing back together. All right, so let's test the bulb. Woo, that works perfect. So to put the bulb back in, you're going to want to line up all these little pegs with the hole. So once you get it in there, righty-tighty, lock it in. And you'll notice these two push pins that you're going to want to line up with the holes. So you're going to want to line them up and shove it back on like so. And make sure it locks in place. And now all we'll need to do is just put these two Phillips head screws back in, just like when we started the video. Line up the second. The bulb you'll need for this job is a 2357. It costs about $5 for a 2-pack, so not bad for a quick 2-minute job to fix your own brake tail light. If you guys need anything else, message us so we can make some future videos that'll help you out. I hope you enjoyed it.